Welcome back to Pepper's Built. So, on today's episode, Kombi, we have rolled it. Now it's time to suspension it. Now, we're going to put some front suspension in, some rear suspension. I'm really excited. I have not had this car on suspension ever. I bought it as a shell with nothing in it, so I'm so keen. So please stay tuned and let's chuck it in.
Yeah, you piece of shit. No. Okay, we can go. Thank you.
Are we done?
Yeah.
Bye.
Love you, bro.
Woo! Got it done. Up, rolled over, fixed. You see me struggling with the front, and then my Kombi battery ran out, and you didn't see me chuck the rears on, but both sides on the rear are on. So I'm gonna grab some shitty wheels that I got, just some rollers that I'll chuck on it for now, and get it up in the air. Oh, so happy. Look at that. I'm so happy. It is the first time that I've ever wheeled this van on 4 tyres since I've owned it. So yeah, big day. Chucked the beam in, and you've seen how much trouble I had there. I couldn't hold it, the two pieces, or the beam itself and jack at the same time, so got my missus in to help me with that. As I showed you up on the bench, the front suspension that I'd already done up. I did the same with the rear. I forgot to take a little clip of it, but it's just the rear hub, brakes and drum and everything else I just cleaned up and painted just to make it all look pretty. Which is what I chucked in the rear, yeah, but my battery went flat and I didn't know it wasn't filming, so missing a little bit, but it's all under there. You'll probably see more of it in other videos to come. But yeah, I'll probably go for tyres, probably that size. They're like the old original style ply tyres, which really not the best, but I'm liking the height and everything else. I'm still thinking I might go for some Mercedes 16-inch rims or 15-inch rims, just to give it a bit of height and make it a little bit, not different, but a lot of people do it, but yeah, just bigger. And yeah, the fronts, don't worry about the wheels, they're just rollers. Yeah, so just got some rollers on there for now, just any tyres that I had on rims, so I could wheel it around, and as I'm painting and doing everything else, it really doesn't matter what they're on. So yeah, really happy. This week I picked up a gearbox, which I have one that came out of this, and I'm going to use bits of it, and the other one I got to make a nice cruising gearbox. So it should sit in the highway really nicely. The engine probably is a bit underpowered for the gearbox, but I'll give it a go, see what happens. I'll probably have to end up staying in third a bit more and changing it, but later on when I want to build a bigger engine, gearbox is already there to go. And then yeah, write up another list, go through all the rust repairs I need to do. And some people are going to say, oh well, why'd you bother painting underneath if you're going to chop other bits out and rust repair them? Well, I kind of had to. So when I had it on the side, I didn't really have much else to... I couldn't get to the rust repairs, and it was going to be easier in this position than try to do them in the other position. So a little bit of back and forward, but it should be pretty good. But yeah, that's going to be it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.